Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would redo my desk. I was really feeling lazy, plus it was really hot and humid for the past few days. But today's weather was great, so I decided that I would do this. So here I have the pegboard, which is the main star of the show. I was manifesting this for a very long time. And here it is. I ordered this from a page on Facebook in Decor BD. You can check them out. I'll put the link in the description. And then now I'm unboxing the accessories, the trays and the hooks, etc. The dimensions are 14 inches to 22, and then I have 5 pieces of hanging hooks, 2 holders for my keyboard, and then lastly I have this one to put my headphones in place. Now here is the final look of the whole pegboard. I went for the white color because it matches my aesthetic. It looks exactly like the IKEA one, because we don't have IKEA here. Now I'm going to unbox some of the decor that I ordered from a page called Orange Zest. You can also check them out. And they have amazing mystery boxes, so you can definitely order from them. It's really worth it, highly recommend. I have this melody lamp also. This one is really cute and I'm just showing you how it looks. Then I ordered this new jeans Lomo card set from the page Purple Wave Official. If you want authentic Korean, stationery and K-pop merch in Bangladesh, definitely check them out. They're really amazing. So here I have got a pack of 52 cards and that's it. Now I'm trying to arrange all the hooks. Photo card holder and here. So I'm just putting it inside this. And I'm gonna hang it there. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Saranghai. Now placing this, my melody lamp on the shelf tray and my heart mirror. I got this from Dara's. You can also find this on Temu and AliExpress. Now here comes Miffy plushie. She's so cute, so let's just put her there. Yeah, and then my melody tote bag. And then some of my Sanrio themed stationery. Like the pens, I love them so much I barely use them. And then my correction tape. Honestly, I was manifesting this type of cute desk setup for a long time. And yes, I put the other things as well. Just showing you the set of Uno cards LOL. I'd how to play Le Mal help. Now I'm unboxing another parcel. Can you guess what's inside it? Okay. So this is a plushie keychain. And I really wanted this for a very long time. This is a Sanrio character, his name. Oh my god, he looks so cute with his aviation goggles. Lastly, adding the bunch of tulips. I'm surprised they are still in good shape after 2 years. Giving you all a 360-degree tour and close-up. Oh, that's my Givenchy perfume, not me flexing.